Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. A lot of you have requested a recipe or a video of how I do my potato salad. My potato salad is simple, very simple. It doesn't have the mustard and all that stuff in there because I'm showing you what I like. So this is my way of it. I know there are so many ways of making potato salad, so many stuff that you can put in it, but this is my take on potato salad. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to know how to make this super delicious, simple potato salad, let's go ahead and review the ingredients. So I've got here very simple recipe. Got 3 eggs here that we're going to chop up. I've got about 2 large potatoes that I've got right here that I have already cut. And then I've got here about half a cup of celery that is really chopped finely. Now the celery top, you know, the flowers or the leaves that are on the top, those are super tasty, and I usually save them for like Chinese rice or like if I'm doing a potato salad like this. So I put all those there because that should be really fragrant. We're also going to do some mayonnaise. Now you can mix your mayonnaise with some yogurt if you like, but to tell you the truth, I love the taste of mayonnaise. I know that some people don't, which is perfectly fine. But I'm going to show you how I like it. So we're going to do enough mayonnaise in there just to combine all the ingredients. Then I got my salt, and I got my lemon pepper, of course, and then I've got my black pepper. So now we're just going to start putting everything in the bowl and get started. Potatoes go in here, and then I'm going to take my egg and I'm just going to cut it in pieces like this and put all the egg in there as well. They don't have to be in any shape, size, or form. Now I'm just gonna mix everything together. Just breaking up the potatoes just a little bit here. Okay, now let's go ahead and add our mayonnaise in there. Like I said, if you wanted to go ahead and add some yogurt or some Greek, just 1 tablespoon first. Add my salt. This is my pink Himalayan salt. Pepper. Then a little bit of lemon pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon of each. We'll mix this, and then if we feel like we need to add more, we'll add more mayonnaise in there. And it looks like we're gonna need some more in there. I've been mixing this up and adding as I am going along. So this is my 3rd tablespoon. And I'm thinking that this is gonna be good. I think this is it. I think this is good enough. Okay, this is perfect. This you can stick it in the fridge so it's nice and chilled before you serve it. So let me just go ahead and take this out in a serving container, and then I'm going to give it a taste test. So I give this a taste test and it tastes amazing. The only thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna sprinkle some celery right on top of it. I love celery in this. So it's up to you how you wanna garnish this. But I'm gonna do a taste test. I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like, and simple, I just like simple. And if this was chilled, it would be even better. So this is amazing. So this is a simple potato salad. If you like this recipe, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the button there so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. I'm available on, I have a Facebook page, on Pinterest, I'm on Instagram, and if you like this video, please share this on social media. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.